Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a rut, watching from the sidelines as others achieve the financial success you've always dreamed of? Discover the secret behind unlocking the power of the Millionaire morning routine and join the ranks of successful individuals who have mastered the art of starting their days with intention and purpose. Whether your goal is to amass a $1 million fortune or soar to billionaire status, the habits and rituals practiced by millionaires hold the key to your future success. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, focused, and ready to tackle your day with purpose and clarity, just like the world's most successful millionaires and billionaires. Picture yourself effortlessly attracting success and abundance into your life by adopting the same success habits that millionaires swear by. Research shows that the morning routines of millionaires and billionaires are often the cornerstone of their success, enabling them to maximize productivity, optimize their mindset, and achieve extraordinary levels of success in both their personal and professional lives. But for many of us, mornings can feel like a chaotic rush, leaving us feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and unproductive. According to a study published in the Journal of Applied Social Psychology, mornings tend to be the most stressful time of day for the majority of people, with the pressure of impending tasks and responsibilities weighing heavily on our minds. We hit the snooze button multiple times, skip breakfast, and dive headfirst into the day without a clear plan or intention, ultimately hindering our progress towards our financial goals. That's where the Millionaire morning routine comes in. It's not just about waking up early, it's about starting your day with intention and purpose, following in the footsteps of the world's most successful individuals. Research conducted by the University of Nottingham found that millionaires and billionaires who establish a consistent morning routine experience greater levels of productivity, focus, and overall life satisfaction. Incorporating specific habits and rituals into your morning routine can help you emulate the success strategies of millionaires and set yourself up for financial abundance. Here's how. 1. Wake up early. Start by setting your alarm for an hour earlier than usual, just like many millionaires do. Research published in the Journal of General Psychology suggests that early risers tend to be more proactive and better equipped to anticipate and address challenges effectively. Use this extra time for self-care activities such as meditation, exercise, or journaling, all of which are common practices among successful individuals. 2. Set intentions. Take a few moments each morning to set your intentions for the day, following the example of millionaires and billionaires who swear by the power of goal setting. According to a study conducted by researchers at the University of California, individuals who engage in daily goal setting are significantly more likely to achieve their objectives than those who do not. Visualize your financial goals and affirmations, reminding yourself of what you want to achieve and the steps you need to take to make it happen. 3. Nourish your body. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast to kickstart your metabolism and provide sustained energy throughout the day, just like many successful individuals do. Research published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition has shown that consuming a balanced breakfast can improve cognitive function, mood, and overall productivity. Incorporate foods rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you feeling satiated and focused until your next meal. 4. Prioritize tasks. Create a to-do list or schedule for the day, following the example of millionaires and billionaires who prioritize their tasks based on importance and urgency. According to a study conducted by researchers at Florida State University, individuals who prioritize their tasks can accomplish more and experience less stress than those who approach their day haphazardly. This will help you stay organized and focused on your financial goals, ensuring that you make progress toward achieving them each day. 5. Practice gratitude. Take time to express gratitude for the blessings in your life, just like many successful individuals do. Research published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology has shown that practicing gratitude can improve overall well-being, increase resilience to stress, and enhance interpersonal relationships. Cultivate a gratitude practice by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each morning, allowing yourself to focus on the positive aspects of your life and start the day on a positive note. So, why wait? Start implementing the Millionaire morning routine into your life today and follow in the footsteps of the world's most successful individuals. By adopting the same success habits that millionaires and billionaires swear by, you can maximize your productivity, optimize your mindset, and accelerate your journey toward financial abundance and prosperity. Don't let another day pass by without harnessing the incredible potential that lies within you. Embrace the power of your mornings and seize the opportunity to design the life of your dreams. Your future millionaire self will thank you for it. If you found this video insightful and empowering, take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest content. Remember, the journey to financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. Each small step you take towards implementing the Millionaire morning routine brings you closer to your goals. So, stay committed, stay focused, and never lose sight of your dreams. And always remember, here at GrowRich, we're dedicated to providing you with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration you need to unlock your full potential and create the life of abundance you deserve. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Your future of wealth and success starts now.